start this very simple DIY tutorial with this lovely glass and mirror box. It has a nice top to it. So we're going to go ahead and start with this. I picked this up at the Goodwill, believe it or not. So if you guys go to the Goodwill, they have some good finds. So what I want to do is add a mirror to the top of this. So I'm using my mirror, my 5-inch mirror from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to just add that to the top of this. But before I do that, I want to add this mirror reflective paper to the back of it so that it covers up that really nasty looking back of the mirror. So I have mirror showing on both sides. And it's very easy. You just peel and stick and rub it on, get all the bubbles out, and it looks great. Okay, so now I have my mirror reflective paper on the opposite side of this mirror. I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the top using my glue gun and my E6000 or whatever adhesive that you would like to use. I like to use the Gorilla Glue, and I use it in the clear. They also have one that is a white color. You want to make sure you have the clear. And guys, if you're new to my channel, it's so nice to have you here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of new DIY tutorials that we upload. So again, we're just using our adhesive glue, whatever glue you would like to use, and our glue gun. And we're going to go ahead and attach that mirror to the top of this little box. And we're just going to apply some pressure to adhere that to the box. Okay guys, so we have our mirror attached to the top. Now I want to go ahead and use these bling jewels that I picked up from Walmart. And you guys have seen me use these before. And I'm just going to take those jewels. I want the larger ones, and I'm going to go all the way around this box using those jewels. And I definitely could have left this box the way it is. It was already gorgeous, but I'm a bling girl, so I had to go ahead and do this, guys. And these already have an adhesive to the back of them, but I'm going to go ahead and put them on. But afterwards, I'm going to reinforce that with my adhesive glue. So I just press that on firmly, and that's how it's looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and finish and come back and let you see. So now we have the whole box all blinged out. I'm going to use this mirror tile, and I'm just using one strip of it to go around the edge there where the mirror and the box are connected, because there's a little gap there. So I want to close that gap up using this mirror tile. And it works just like those gems. It has its own adhesive to the back of it. But again, I am definitely going to go back and reinforce that with my Gorilla Glue. And as you can see, I am just making sure that I am right in the line of that gap. Okay guys, so we're just going to finish this up. And as you can see, it already looks gorgeous. I really don't have to do anything else to this, But you know me, I'm extra, so I'm going to do a little more. I'm just going to add a nice top knob to this so that I'll be able to pick that up. Later, you'll notice in the video that I actually took it apart from the box so the top will stand alone. So now I'm just going ahead and cleaning off the mirror so that when I apply the knob to it, it's just keeping the mirror clean, and then the knob will attach a lot better. And I picked up this knob from Amazon. It is so gorgeous. It has all of these different colors in it, and it goes great with my dining room, which is the peacock theme. So I think this looks so gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the top using my Gorilla Glue, and then just a little bit of the hot glue to kind of keep it in place while it's drying. So I'll take the Gorilla Glue and I'll go around the edge, the very edge of that knob, as it has a flat surface. So I'm just going to go right around the edge of that. And then I'll take my glue gun and place just a little bit of glue in the middle. And I'll go ahead and apply that to our mirror at the top here and apply a little pressure to make sure it adheres. And here it is, guys, all blinged out and beautiful. I just love the way this turned out. Is that knob just gorgeous? Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you feel about this piece in the comments, guys. And for those that are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of new and upcoming DIY videos. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.